Hi, I'm Isaac from Queensland Smoke Alarms, and today I'll be showing you how to test and maintain your Brooks Hardwired smoke alarm. To test the smoke alarm, you press this button down and hold it for 10 seconds and make sure that this smoke alarm and all interconnected smoke alarms sound. Other troubleshooting problems is this light may flash once every minute, which means that the 9-volt battery located inside needs to be replaced. To open up the Brooks smoke alarm, you insert your screwdriver in an allocated slot and just push, and it comes off as so. Once you've removed your Brooks smoke alarm, underneath you can find the 9-volt battery backup and other information. To remove the backup, just hold that and pull off as so. You can test it against the 9-volt battery tester and then replace it by connecting it back up, making sure that positive and negative are joined up correctly. Then to reconnect, just sits on and slides in. Some troubleshooting for your Brooks smoke alarm includes if you hear a beeping noise and see the red light flashing once every 40 seconds, that indicates that the 9-volt battery needs to be replaced. If you come across any other problems with the Brooks smoke alarm, solutions can be found in the troubleshooting guide found online or the booklet out of the box that the smoke alarm comes in. To clean the smoke alarm, you can use a handheld vacuum and get around all the corners, or the bottom and inside if you choose, or you can remove it from the ceiling as so, and then vacuum inside, around, and all crevices that you can see. And then just reconnect it back up. Like so. We also suggest for cleaning your smoke alarms to spray some insect repellent on a cloth and then wipe down the surfaces of all your smoke alarms. That can prevent bugs and insects getting inside. Brooks have 10 years till they expire and they have a 5 years warranty. On the side you can see the replace date. So replaced by August 2029. At that time you can call out a licensed electrician to replace it.